Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the SUMIF function. So the SUMIF function is a very useful one if you want to create a condition to sum up the values. So let me explain. Imagine you have two sales agents. You have John and you have Sally, and they have some sales. So let's say they have here $100, this one $50. And we also have Larry as our sales agent, 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. So if you want to quickly see some values regarding to this, well, that's easy with a SUMIF function. So let me show you. What we want to do is now we want to calculate all the sales from Sally. If you see, we're going to just calculate only Sally's sales. So how you do that quickly? Well, we type in SUMIF, yes, and then you say the range. Alright, what's the range? The range should contain the criteria as well. So we say this is our range, comma, what's the criteria? Well, in our case, it is Sally. So we're going to just select this one for Sally, but you can also type in Sally, it's one or the other, comma, and then if this would be true, what would be the sum range? This value here. Enter. So now you can see that if we select Sally, Sally has a total of $110. Let's double check. If here 50, 70, and this makes it 110. So that's exactly correct. So what if we would say here Sally, we want to calculate John's sales, $140. This is the way how you can use a SUMIF function to quickly filter out the sales from a specific item or something else. You can sum up specific items or anything else you need for. It's a very powerful tool. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel, check out the link in the description section. And in there, you can find a wonderful Excel course on Udemy for free.